What is your doubt in this question? First of all, I just want to know. What is the doubt? Where you stuck like? Actually, I just want to know.
Sir, like if they are giving this two mediums and if they are like immersing this glass in water, and that time I'm getting confused, like which are N2, N1,
Nothing
which
to
we should
see.
take.
Nothing
That
to confuse. Like I just want to explain this formula thing. Actually, you know the lens maker formula.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
I think light. Okay. This is object. Object from object light is coming. The phase where light strike first. That is R1. Okay. This is
Hmm.
R2. And I think 1 upon F is equal to N2 by N1 or mu2 by mu1 minus 1 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is lens maker formula. Okay. So I will apply this only. And remember, what is this? N2, N1. N1 is the refractive index of a medium from where the light is coming. Light is coming from the object. Now object is placed in which medium? That is N1, refractive index.
Hmm.
N2 is the refractive index of the medium in which light is going to enter. Okay,
Hmm.
understood? That
Yeah,
is
sir.
only the concept. Clear?
Hmm.
Object is nothing, like object position is not given. Just assume object is at infinity. Clear?
Hmm. Hmm.
Because
Hmm.
they're asking focal length. So you can assume object is at infinity.
Infinite.
Because
Okay.
in this formula, image will be at focus. Object is at infinity. Clear?
Hmm. Hmm.
Otherwise, we have to apply mu2 by v, mu2 by v minus v1 by u, mu2 minus v1 by r. That formula.
Hmm.
Refraction through curved surface. That formula. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
From there only we have derived this. Okay. Understood? So in this question, like what they are saying, let me read this question first. In the diagram given below, there are three lenses formed. How many lenses? Three.
Three.
Consider negligible thickness of each of them as compared to R1 and R2. The radius of curvature for upper and lower surface of the glass lens. So this is the glass lens for
Hmm.
upper and lower. What is the meaning? This upper na,
Hmm.
its radius of curvature is R1, that is lower, that is mod R2. Okay. Is it clear? Like
Yeah,
now,
yeah, yeah.
how many lenses you are able to visualize? If light is coming like this, if I show you, light is coming like this. Okay. So it will
Hmm.
travel this medium water, then glass, then
Then
again water.
again, water.
Okay. For upper, that is R1. For lower
Hmm.
surface, that is R2. So how many lenses? If you notice that one is this lens.
Hmm.
Okay. Understood? One more
Hmm.
lens like
Yes.
this. This the lens. Clear? And one more lens. This is okay.
Hmm.
So we have found three lenses. Lens 1, L1, L2, this is L3. Okay. Its radius of curvature is mod R1. Why mod means value I'm taking, okay, not sign.
Hmm. Hmm.
This is okay, this is what? Mod R1. This
Water.
is mod R2.
Hmm.
Okay, clear? This is
Yes.
what? Mod R2, and this is plane surface, so its radius of curvature is infinity.
Hmm.
Okay, understood? Up to this,
Yes.
any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir. So we should split
Don't.
the question itself like
Yeah, yeah,
this, like
yeah, yeah,
that. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. Now, actually, they lenses are like they have placed lenses very, very close to each other. Then they
Hmm.
form this
Hmm. Hmm.
picture. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir. Hmm.
Any doubt? Now see.
No, no.
Now for first this surface, if you apply the formula, power of combination actually they are asking. So
Mm,
you just because if lenses are placed closely, then formula I think you know 1 upon f equivalent is 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2 plus 1 upon f3. Okay.
mm,
Just individually calculate the focal length. You will get the equivalent focal length. Okay. Then apply this formula. Power is equal to 1 upon f equivalent. Okay. Now solve this 1 upon f1. First solve this. Tell me. For this lens, light is coming like this. Okay. Okay. If you apply the formula,
mm,
light is coming from air. Okay. Into water. Water is W. So N2 is water. N2 by N1. N1 is
mm,
1. So light is striking this phase first, so it is R1. Okay.
mm.
And opposite, so it is minus infinity. Clear? Okay, understood? Light is coming,
Yes, yes, yes.
striking this is R1, this is R2. So R2 is where?
Uh-uh.
What? Like this. Okay. It's minus. Is it so? Okay.
Mm,
So 1 upon F1 is how much? 1 by 3 of mod R1. Is it so?
wait, 3 more. Yeah, sir.
Clear?
Mm.
Any doubt? Tell me.
No, sir, clear.
Give me 1 minute, okay?
Mm,
We have calculated for this. Now similarly
mm,
calculate for the second lens. Calculate. We have second lens. So individually calculate the focal length. For second length, what is the this is lens like this only? Okay.
mm,
So light is coming like this. Okay. So it is R1, that is R2. So 1 upon F2 will be what? Tell me fast. Light is coming from R2 what?
R2,
Which lens is glass. Glass refractive index is
class
3 by 2.
3 by
So
2.
it is
So
entered into
3
glass.
by
So it
2
is N2. Very good, very good, very good. 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Okay.
mm,
So R1 is how much? This is okay.
mm.
Minus that is understood. Any doubt or not? Tell me.
No, sir.
So 1 upon F2 will be what? That is how much? 1 upon mod R2 like this. Okay.
Mm,
Equation 2. Similarly, calculate for third lens what is focal length because actually they are placed coaxially. Understood? So power will
mm,
be P1 plus P2 plus P3 or 1 upon F equivalent is 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2 plus 1 upon F3. So I'm simply
mm,
calculating 1 upon F1. What is the focal length of
mm,
this
mm,
lens? What is the focal length of this lens? What is the focal length of this lens? So if I need to
mm.
calculate the focal length, then what I will do? I will simply take this lens and put it air medium.
Oh,
Okay. I need to calculate the focal length. The focal length, you remember here focal length is what? In this formula, remember one thing like here focal
mm,
length depends on two things. Lens maker
mm,
formula, if you notice, it depends on the medium in which
mm,
it is placed. Okay,
mm.
understood? And it also depends on the radius of curvature. Understood?
Richard.
Now see,
Yes, sir.
here for third, this is the case like this. Is it so? Clear?
Mm.
So what is 1 upon f3? That is coming like this. N2 by N1. N2 is what? It is going where? Again water.
Through water.
1 upon what I should write. This is R2, na?
Mm.
Clear? Minus what I should write now. This plane surface, so its radius of curvature will be infinite. Okay, only simple. Because already I explained this concept in the class, but you should know how to approach a problem. That is only the concept.
Okay, sir.
Equation 3. Now simply add all these three equations.
All the
You will
three
get the
equations.
equation.
Mm.
You will get the answer. Now tell me, you just
Okay.
add now only. Okay, you will get. Add and tell me, are you getting? Okay, you just solve this. Simply add all these three equations. Are you getting the answer? Power. What you are getting? Okay, what you are getting? Have you solved?
Ah, yeah, sir. This option.
Which option you are getting? Option B.
Mm.
Okay, nice. Clear? Simply, you have solved by your own only, but I have explained the approach. Okay, understood?
Okay. Mm.
Okay, next question we'll discuss. Thank you so much. Any doubt?
No, sir, clear.
Okay.